Welcome to another video. It's been a while, I apologize. The Christmas rush started early here. We're super busy. Just had a big ship day yesterday, sent out over 60 boxes. I think the post office lady almost had a heart attack. We filled up the entire postal truck, those little box trucks from the postal service. Yeah, we filled up the entire truck. She had to put some in the front. That's how many boxes I sent out yesterday. Okay, so we are talking about a German military sign. This sign will go to Germany, and we also are talking about a German restaurant sign. Those two signs will be shipped to Germany next week. I'm trying not to drop this. Because this is more German related stuff, we will do this Video in 2 languages. So willkommen zu einem neuen Video. In diesem Video werde ich zeigen, wie ich dieses deutsche Panzerschild gemacht habe. Dieses Schild ist 23 Inch lang und 7 Inches breit. An der Rückseite haben wir 19 Namen eingefräst. Und als zweites haben wir ein Hotelschild vom Gasthof und Hotel Fränkischer Hof in Baiersdorf, Oberfranken. Und ja, so now we're trying to do this bilingual. Ich versuche das mal in 2 Sprachen zu machen. The first sign, dieses erste Schild, goes to my friend in Bamberg, and I had to throw this all together. The artwork was done by hand, had to retrace it, and these symbols were really hard to find. So ich musste dieses Logo hier per Hand bearbeiten, und auch diese 2 Abzeichen hier waren sehr schwer zu finden und deshalb auch ziemlich viel Handarbeit, um das hier einzufräsen. On the second sign, auf dem zweiten Schild, yeah, this is a thank you sign for my friend Simone in Baiersdorf. Das ist ein Schild, um Danke zu sagen für meinen Aufenthalt in April war ich in Deutschland, und die Simone hat mich bei ihr übernachten lassen, hat mich versorgt, Essen und Trinken, und deswegen nochmal ein herzliches Dankeschön. Simone, she took care of me back in April when I was in Germany. She fed me, she gave me something to drink, and she gave me a bed to sleep, and therefore, thank you very much. So this is for you, Simone. And before we get started, I like to ask you if you can subscribe to this channel. If you like this content, please drop a like. Ja, den Like-Knopf drücken bitte, und auch abonnieren, glaube ich, sagt man da in Deutsch, ne? Subscribe, hit the button and hit the freaking bell next to it. That way you can get notified if or when I upload a new video. So let's get started. Here we go. All right, let's talk about this next sign here. This is the Fränkischer Hof, the hotel sign, Franconian. I'm not in focus here. There you go. Very tricky. I wanted to get the building. Simone's family owns this restaurant for a long time, and I wanted to get the building on the sign, and I could not find anything besides a picture, but there's nothing vector files or anything you can just download and carve. So I went on her website and downloaded a picture, hand traced the image and converted everything into vectors and then imported it and then carved it, and I did not think it would work that well. I think it came out really nice. I had my doubts. This was really tricky. All these lines and stuff. It was tricky. Fränkischer Hof, Franconian Hotel. So if you're ever in Germany and you think, oh well, you know, Germany, what do I have? Like Berlin, Frankfurt, stuff like that? No. Like Frankfurt, Germany, you fly in. What do you have? Tall buildings. Where do you come from? America. What do you have? Tall buildings. So you're gonna go to Germany and see tall buildings? No. You have to go to Bayersdorf, Germany and see Simone. That's the hotel, and they have the best potato dumplings, they have the best schnitzel, they have the cleanest rooms, they have the friendliest staff. I mean, it's a must go. So forget about Berlin, forget about Frankfurt, Munich, you can go, that's okay. But the rest, no. Make sure and drive to 2.5 hours east and see Simone, and from there you can go wherever you like. Okay, so here we go.